Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. So, a little bit ago, I decided to try Mod Podge Image Transfer Medium. I made this, which I didn't really love, right? I mean, it's cute and all that. But then some people emailed me and said, you know, you can use any picture. You can use a magazine, which I had talked about in the video that I had some vintage magazines and I thought about transferring some of those images. So apparently you can do that. But then they told me you could use any Mod Podge. Doesn't have to be Image Transfer Mod Podge. And then I got mad because I bought Image Transfer Mod Podge. And I had the ability to do it all along. Just every once in a while. Like, there has to be, anyway. But I had this book, remember? I picked up at the thrift store to fill frames. A Renoir book. And I thought, we're going to try it with an image that I didn't laser print. So this is a laser printed image, and I'm going to set that aside. And I've got another one of these bags that I paid $1/4 for. And I pulled this image out of it. Isn't it pretty? It's just so pretty. And it happens to fit this from edge to edge just perfectly, so that I won't get that weird white background that I did not want or like. We're going to try it. If it works, awesome. If it doesn't work, I'm out $1/4 and a picture from a book. So we're going to try it. I am going to glue this, and then I have to let it wait. I have to let it sit for 24 hours, but let's get this cut. Okay, so I went ahead and I cut the image down to about the size that I need. I hang over a little bit on one edge, but I'm gonna line the top edge up with the zipper so that it should look like this when it's done. It'll fill that area. So the process I'm gonna use is gonna be the same, and I'm gonna use the same Mod Podge because, you know, I have it. But I want to try it with different images, like this person who emailed me said. Thank you for your tip, but they didn't want to be referenced in the video. So I'm trying to like say this without, you know who you are. I'm just gonna say that. You know who you are. So I'm trying to be very conscious of not saying their name. But anyway, I want to see if this does work on magazines and books. Like, oh my gosh, I would love that. I get old magazines all the time, and if I don't sell them, I'm like, they got some really cool ads in here and all this stuff. It'd be fun to do something with them. Like, fun to do a decoupage or something on them. What did I do with that piece of wood that I was using as the... There it is. As my palette. I am going to get this glued up just like we did before, and we're going to try it. Why not? Why not, y'all? Because then I don't have a white background. It'll be prettier. It'll be more what I want, right? In theory. In my mind, it works. I don't know about using any Mod Podge. This does feel like significantly thicker. This is almost like white paint. That's what it feels like to me, is white paint. So we're going to put a nice thick coat on here. Cover it again. I mean, it's like gooey. Oh, this brush isn't going to work, is it? I think it's too stiff. Okay. Oh, that's the right side. I'm like, oh no, I got the wrong side. No, it's on the other side, Stacy. You're all right. You're all right. And that covers, well, not quite the whole thing, but all right. All right. Now we wait 24 hours to see how this comes out. I'm fingers crossed that this is going to work, because I would be really excited if it did. Okay, we are several days later. Days. It's dry. I'm nervous. I wet the sponge. Let's get you face down and see what happens. I don't have to get a new tabletop. It's starting to look so messy you can't tell where their paint stripes end and where mine begin. I'm an artist. Anyway, let's get this wet. I do have a bottle of water near me, so that if this is not enough, like, this is pretty thick paper. I don't know. I don't know about this. Like, really? Supposedly, this should work. Ha ha. Well, we're going after it. I don't even care. There it is. That's the picture. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. What am I doing wrong? Is my question. I hate this. This is terrible. This is a mess. This is messy. It's not working very well. I mean, it's... I'm really glad I didn't pay full price for this. I mean, you can see the image, which is yay, but it's coming off in places, a lot of places. It's just a mess, and it feels like an iron-on transfer. So my question becomes, why don't I just use an iron-on transfer? I mean, I'd get better results because I wouldn't have to scrape it off and then run the risk of doing this, right? I'm just annoyed because I really wanted that to work. I really, really, really wanted this one to work. Y'all. I don't think I'm going to try it anymore. I think I'm done with this stuff. I think it's time for me to admit defeat and say, this is not my medium. I don't like this at all. Like, because I thought, well, even if some of it comes off, it'll have a little bit of a rustic look to it. No, it doesn't look rustic. It looks a mess. And there's this spot, and I'm afraid to rub it anymore. It's going to come off. Well, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I've seen people do this, and I've seen them, and they come out really cute, and I'm like, part did I miss? Did they cut? Did they cut? They must have cut. Like, there must have been a cut in the video, and I didn't see it. All I know is this is not for me. It's not for me. So I'm going to say Stacy's done with the image transfer medium, and that passion has now left me. Gone. Okay. Thanks for watching. Happy junkin'. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.